You're watching Zabeel on the Move and I'm exploring Dubai at night, hitting the Dubai Mall, the Burj Khalifa and the Dubai Frame all in just one night. If you're planning your Dubai trip or searching for the must-see attractions, this fast-paced Dubai travel vlog is for you. Come with me as I free roam downtown Dubai, chase unreal night views and discover what really makes this city come alive. So this evening I'm heading over to the Dubai Frame and then over to the Dubai Mall and also to see the famous Burj Khalifa. Probably get to see the fountain show as well there. So let's see what to explore. Kind of hungry, so we'll have dinner over there in the Dubai Mall. It's a beautiful landscape view, especially at this time of evening. Well, that was hella crazy. So I was on the other side of the train trying to get on and it was absolutely jam-packed. So I've aborted the plan to go to the Dubai Frame first. I'm going to head over to the Dubai Mall, have dinner, see the Burj Khalifa, and then once things ease, head over to see the Dubai Frame. Whew. But the beauty of free roam is you can always change your plan. No excursions booked, nothing. Just walk your legs and see where it takes you.
المحطة القادمة هي أبراج الإمارات.
Just got off the metro and here at the Dubai Mall, and it's a long walk before you even enter the Dubai Mall itself. So it's a long line that we walk through. Thankfully this is here to help. But I mean, you can already see the view outside. It is beautiful. This is a beautiful setting right underneath the Burj Khalifa, Emaar Square. The lighting is absolutely sensational here and it stretches for a very, very long path. And as you can see, I'm standing not right underneath, but it is clear as daylight. Right in front of me is the Burj Khalifa. Endless to the top. The lighting on it is sensational. The trees around it right now give it a very great visual, and it's absolutely jam-packed with traffic. Wow, Dubai Mall is absolutely beautiful. Look at that. This is just the first. As you enter, you get this glimpse and you have that big banner just welcoming you. It's so beautiful. Wow, it is aesthetically very beautiful. I'm actually anticipating getting lost here, though I've been here before. Let's see where it takes me. And you can even hear the azan as it's playing inside the mall. I mean, this is absolutely sensational just to even have that opportunity just to listen to an azan in a shopping mall. I've reached the Dubai Aquarium in the mall. I mean, it is so beautiful just to see this as you walk past, and all for free. I mean, you can go inside. I think there are tickets that are being sold, but just to see all the sea life aquarium right now, it's beautiful. Oh, there's people in there, look at that. Taking lessons with the fish. How many of you would have the guts to do that? Imagine that, a shark coming behind you. How many of them are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 people inside, I see. This is a must do and a must visit place once you're in the mall. I cannot emphasize this enough. It is so easy to get lost here. Trying to find the directions, though it says it takes forever just to go from one place to another. It is huge. I'm heading next to the waterfall. I think it's coming up. It's right ahead. Oh, I can see it. Just a glimpse of it there. We're getting close. I walk around just to see the waterfall. This is impressive. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Look at that. This is a spectacular view. So many people here. And there's another one over there, so we'll get to that shortly. But this is visually very beautiful, and the water obviously is giving a very nice breeze here in the mall. Very clear as well. The joy of being here in Dubai is standing at this spot and experiencing the fountain and witnessing the heights of the Burj Khalifa. I'm here at the Dubai fountain and you can see the show taking place. It is absolutely spectacular. The Burj Khalifa on the left of my shoulder. The view is very scenic. Thousands of people watching. It happens every 30 minutes after 6 p.m. to 11 p.m. here in Dubai. Wow, look at that. Look at the numbers. The crowd is immense. And the show is just absolutely mesmerizing. And that's the Dubai Mall and the Burj Khalifa done. Now heading to the Dubai frame to get the glimpse of the frame that I wanted. I won't be going inside, but it just gives me a good feel of what the Dubai frame is all about. The Dubai Mall was absolutely exceptional. Lots to see. The fountain, the show of the fountain was really nice. The waterfall was very beautiful. But what really stood out is when you're standing right underneath the Burj Khalifa and you're just looking up, up and up. I mean, that's a spectacular viewpoint, and obviously it lights up. The whole area is so beautiful. But with that done, heading over just to get a glimpse of the Dubai frame. As I said, I won't be going inside the Dubai frame. I just want to get a quick sort of shot of it. At least I can say then I've come to Dubai and I've seen all the sort of sweet hot spots that's there to see with my own eyes. Captured it for you as well. So it shouldn't be long, and then I can actually see on the right hand side over there, but I won't show you just yet. We're actually now heading to Zabeel Park. That's where the Dubai frame is, and it's hidden right behind that tree. As you walk around the park, you can now see the Dubai frame. So we're on the side of it. So I just want to get a glimpse literally from the front of the Dubai frame. But it looks absolutely beautiful. Oh, there's a dinosaur park here. Very nice indeed. Look at the beautiful setting. Oh my goodness. I'm in awe right now. Like, everything in Dubai just makes me go wow. So we're actually gonna go up that little footpath there so I can get a better, higher view, so I can take a good, nice shot of this. But look at that. So the Dubai frame stands at a whopping 150 meters in height. Now you must be wondering what is actually the purpose of the Dubai frame. Well, it's actually a symbol between two halves of Dubai, or two sides of Dubai. You have the new Dubai, which we're all very familiar with, which is where you see the Burj Khalifa, the marina, all of those tourist hotspots. But behind me there is the old Dubai. So this is the north and the south that are literally separated by this frame, and it's a symbol to show two sides and two halves of Dubai. But let me show you the frame as I'm walking up the footpath. Look at that beautiful shot. Welcome to Dubai, people. Welcome to Dubai. Beautifully structured, tons of gold steel that's been used to manufacture this. Just look at the scenic landscape. So on that side is the new Dubai, and you can see straight down there is the beautiful Burj Khalifa, and then you have the modern landscape of buildings across. I can't quite see it, but behind these buildings here is the old town, old Dubai. So you can even see some of the mosques over there, and some of the old buildings. You can get a feel of just at the top there, which is not quite clear this time of night, but that's the separation. Like, this is the main road, the frame just there. It's an epic scenery. And that's the Dubai frame done. Now heading back to the hotel. It's been a long day. Next time on my Dubai adventure, I leave downtown Dubai and head off to Dera, Dubai's old town, where I get the Arab look, go bargain hunting at the Grand Souk, and get hit by this. Oh, ho, ho. Oh, that was strong. Oh wow, that hit me hard.